Hi, I'm Peter Beren. I'm a literary agent and a publishing consultant. I have more than 40 years in the publishing business as a marketing director, an acquiring editor, an author, and an agent. I was the former publisher of Sierra Club Books and vice president of Insight Editions. I also help self-publishers go through the self-publishing process. I'll be teaching two panels and two workshops. The first workshop is book marketing for authors. Whether you are a traditionally published author or an independently published author, marketing today will be your responsibility.
Okay.
Agents are one of the great bargains in publishing today. The agent's commission is 15%, and the agent will get you at least more than 15% in any publishing deal. In addition, you get 12 other benefits that I will outline in my workshop, and they're all for free. I'm on a panel on finding an appropriate agent and another panel on the state of the book business. The reason you should go to this conference and all conferences boils down to three factors: networking, inspiration, and practical advice. I always leave every conference more committed to publishing than when I arrived. And the reason I write books, which is a hobby for me, is that I have no choice. I have to write.